Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is a thread up box. So this is similar to my other clothing subscription boxes, Stitch Fix, Trendsend, Trunk Club, except that it's not actually a subscription box, first of all. You just order a box anytime you feel like it. And secondly, these are thrift store clothes. So you can actually go to the thredUP website and just basically, it's an online thrift store and they have higher name brands as well as some lower stuff, but it's all at discounted prices because it's, you know, used clothing. One of my lovely subscribers actually recommended it to me and I was super excited. I hadn't heard of it before, and so I did actually buy a couple of things, plus this is the Goody Box as they call it. So first let me show you what I actually bought for myself. Okay, so the first thing that I bought for myself were these Marc Jacob shorts. These are Marc by Marc Jacob and they're just, I just thought they were really cute. You know, I love the design on them and they have the little slits on the side. They're super cute. They're really cute on. They're a little bit snug, but that's okay. They do actually fit, so I didn't send them back. You do have the option of sending things back, by the way. I haven't sent anything back, so I don't know quite how easy that goes, but you do have the option. I think it's like within 7 or 14 days or something like that. Okay, and anyway, the second thing I bought were these shoes. I thought these were so cute, and I specifically bought them because I'm going to a 20s themed party event auction thing, and it's like, you know, Great Gatsby style 20s, so the dress that I have has like this burgundy color in it and it's black, and I just thought that these would be super cute and they fit, they're comfortable, I super love them. These I got for like, I don't know, $14 or something, and the shorts I think were 20, so I was really excited. I love them. I'm really excited about this whole thing here. So I did fill out a profile for this, and then, you know, they just did some shopping for me, but I am so excited to see what is in here. It's supposed to be like 12 to 15 items, I think. June is in here with me. She's on spring break, so we're hanging out. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is literally just like a box of clothes that they threw in here. Here are the prices of everything. The most expensive thing in here is $23. All right. I have 7 days to return the stuff. Okay, I'm excited to try this stuff on. Okay, so this is from Naked Zebra, and this is $10.99, and I thought that it was cute. I mean, it fits well. I feel like it's flattering. I really like the short in the front, long in the back thing. I don't know, I thought it was really cute. It was a little bit short in the front, but it didn't bother me. Like, I would still totally wear it. This little cardigan is from Chelsea and Theodore. This is $14.99, and I don't know, I thought it was cute. I mean, the material is definitely really nice. It's a bit stretchy. It's definitely comfortable. I love all the gold rivets around the outside. It drapes nicely. This is from Express, and it is $11.99 for this faux leather skirt. It's really high-waisted, but I actually like that about it. Normally I don't really like high-waisted things, mostly because they're uncomfortable. And this skirt probably would generally be uncomfortable, but it's definitely a going out piece anyway. I thought that the length was nice and the cut is very flattering. And $11.99, I mean, you know, the prices on these are so fantastic. This I was so confused by because I love the embellishment. I don't know, because it's not really a necklace, but it's so weird because the lace is actually sewn into the shirt. So in order to lay it flat, it seems like it should drape down the back, but is it supposed, like, I don't understand. Are you supposed to tie it somewhere? But I kind of like the frayed edges on this. This is from Sugar Lips, and this is $10.99. It's kind of cute, kind of funky, comfortable, but still like a definite going out piece. This one I did not think I was going to like at all, but it's actually kind of cute on. I mean, I still don't know that it's necessarily my style, but it was definitely cuter than I thought it was going to be. This is from Collective Concepts, and it's $13.99. This is from Lauren Conrad, and this is $11.99, and it's just a really comfortable tank, but it has the applique on the front, which, you know, dresses it up a bit. It's one of those things that you could wear really casually or with other things to make it a little fancier, but definitely, you know, one of those very wearable pieces. This one, this faux leather top from Willow and Clay, this is $12.99, and I don't know, it's one of those things that I'm like, does this fit me right, or is it a little, I don't know. What do you guys think? Because I really wasn't sure about the fit on it, because I think it's kind of cute, and I do love this peplum kind of a thing down here, and it's kind of cute, right? This is from Express and this is $10.99, and this is one of those things that I originally thought, that looks kind of boring and lame, but then I put it on and it's actually really cute and flattering. It hangs nicely and it's such a wearable piece. Like, you could wear this with anything, and I just think that it would look really cute. I actually thought it looked cute with the skirt too. Plus I really like the color. This is from Banana Republic, $11.99. Again, I still don't know if this is necessarily my style, but I did think that it was more flattering on, and it, you know, just kind of has a cool funky vibe. Like, I could totally see somebody rocking this and looking awesome. Okay, the Faux Leather pants by Ann Taylor. These are $22.99. They don't really have a lot of stretch to them, but enough that they're not horrifically uncomfortable. They're kind of cute, but I've kind of always wanted a pair of leather pants. This is from Guess. This is $11.99, and I actually really love this. It is supposed to be a blouse. I thought it was a shirt, but then I put it on and I was like, oh, maybe this is actually a dress because it's long enough. I mean, it definitely covers my booty. It's a blouse though. I don't know. It could be either. You could wear it with jeans or leggings or something. I love the chains on the front. I think that's just really cute. I love these little rivets on the sleeves, and I love the way it drapes. Tell me what you guys think, because I thought it was really cute, and I like this color too, this kind of grayish blue color. This one, I feel like I thought it was going to be cuter than it was. This one, I feel like the length was wrong. But that's probably, I don't know. I feel like on me, it just wasn't me. You know, it was one of those things that I'm like, oh no, I feel weird wearing this. This is by French Connection. This is $18.99, and I actually thought this was really cute. I don't know, it's one of those dresses that I'm like, can I get away with this at my age? Anyway, I thought it was really cute, and I thought that it fit really well too. This is from N-Focus Studio. This is $11.99, and this sparkly pink top just totally stole June's heart. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, that's a style I haven't seen in a while. But I don't know. I mean, I thought that it was actually flattering and it was kind of cute. I just don't know that I feel like, I don't know, is this style coming back around? I don't know. Let me know what you think, because I thought it was kind of cute. June totally loved it. So, okay, that was a really great box. Everything was really inexpensive. There was a ton of stuff in there, a lot of which I think I will end up keeping because I thought it was really cute. So this is definitely a fun box. Plus, just shopping on ThredUp, I already bought 2 things. The prices are so great, and they do have a lot of higher end name brands, like my Marc Jacobs shorts that I got for $20. I mean, come on. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box so you can check it out if you would like to. Thank you again to whoever it was that recommended this to me. I forget at the moment. But thank you so much, because I love it when you guys suggest things, especially when they turn out to be so awesome. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!